everyone. So we're out here digging potatoes. It is the end of June. I believe next weekend is the 4th of July. So this is the time of year here in North Carolina. And I'll show you how we set up our potato beds, how we're digging them up, and what we do to plan to cure and store them. So this is our main garden space, and because we did not have enough room to put a whole potato bed in here, we decided to come on the outside of our garden space fence and build a potato bed the whole length of the fence. All right, so we basically built this potato bed with scrap wood, and that scrap wood just happened to be pallets. So we cut our pallets in half, and we made ends to the bed on either side, and then just ran the pallets all the way down to the other end. And on the ground and up the sides, we added landscape fabric and stapled it to the side of the fence, all along the side of the pallets, and then it went down and underneath. So we filled the beds with a nice organic compost, threw our potato starts in there, and then just kept backfilling it in until basically the beds maxed out. The potato leaves started browning, and now we're here digging them up. So we got a bunch of these little ones with the fingerlings. Our fingerling harvest didn't do too well, but from a cooking standpoint, I love these because you don't have to cut them. I just toss them on a cookie sheet and just roast them in the oven. So what we've done is we've transferred the potatoes that we picked from the wheelbarrow into our bucket. This is going to go downstairs into our basement. Our basement is nice and cool and dry. This is not a lot of potatoes in regards to how long they will store versus when we plan on eating them. So these will store for a few months. These will be all eaten up by then. We don't have a proper dry root cellar, so if you have a root cellar, your potatoes should last quite a while.